Reports shows that about 15 million people will be going to Paris for this year's Olympic Games. The one thing that all these people from different countries will need is t-shirts. Yes, anyone going to the Olympics would want to show off their national pride with their shirts. So this is a great opportunity for entrepreneurs like you. Using AI, you can quickly make hundreds of Olympic-themed t-shirt designs that you can sell online. The best part is that you don't even have to be in Paris to rake in the cash. Make sure you watch till the end to see how exactly you can profit from this niche. Now let me show you how easy it is to make these Olympics t-shirt designs with AI. The tool I'll be using is Leonardo AI. I choose it because it can create consistent style and the text format is very good. So to start, you should go to the leonardoai.com website. Click on the Sign Up button to create an account. If you already have an account, you should log in. When you sign in, this is the screen you'll see. Leonardo offers a free account, but I am actually using the paid version. Go to the right side to create the setup. Leonardo has a lot of models you can choose from. For this tutorial, I will be using Leonardo Phoenix because for now, it is the only one that can create text. Next, you should go to the Prompt Enhance option and turn it off. Move to Preset Style, then select Graphic Design Vector. And for the contrast option, you should choose Medium. You can leave every other settings as they are. Once you're done with the settings, now it's time for the prompt. It says, Vector Design with bold text. In a quotation marks, you'll add Paris 2024, then add a comma. The Olympics Games logo, comma, Eiffel Tower underneath, comma, isolated on a white background, comma. Then click on the Generate button. Here are the 4 generated images. As you can see, this one has a little mistake over here, I won't use it. But this other one is really good and I like the design. I'll click on the Download button to save it. That's it, the design is ready. Now let's change the prompt to get more variations. So here, I will change the font style to cursive and add fireworks to the prompt. As you can see, the design came out really well. I'll download it now. Another design format you can make with this prompt is for country teams. You can use any country you want. I will be creating a design for Team USA. To do this, I will delete the Olympics game logo from the prompt. Change the text in the quotation marks to Team USA. And add the country colors, which are red, blue, and white colors. Make sure there is no commas between the colors. Then click Enter. As you can see, the images look really good. I will go ahead and download this one here. Once you have downloaded all the designs you like, you should go to bigjpg.com to upscale the images. You can use this website for free without even signing in. To do this, you should upload the images you just downloaded from Leonardo AI. Click on the Start button, click the 4x option, and click on Enlarge all images below. As you can see, the free version can only enlarge 2 images at a time, so if you want things to be faster, you should upgrade to the premium version. Once it's done, you should download these images to save the design. The last part is to head to canva.com. You should sign in, select Create Design at the top, then search for the t-shirt option and click on it. Once it loads, click on the Upload option on the right. Select the images and click Enter. Now click the image on the right, and it will appear on the canvas. Click on the design and select the Edit Image option at the top. Pick BG Remove to delete the background. I think this feature is only available to premium members, but you should check because I am not sure. Once the background is removed, you should drag the design to fit the canvas. Go to the Positions button at the top to center it. Repeat this process for the rest of your designs. When you are done, click Download, choose PNG and click on the transparent background. Then click Download. All your designs will be saved. The major question now is, how can anyone make money with these designs? The easiest method is to sell your t-shirts on Etsy. Tons of people will be looking for unique Olympic t-shirts on Etsy, so you can be one of the sellers who can take advantage of this opportunity. all you have to do is upload your designs to a print-on-demand provider like Printify, then link it to an Etsy store. Another option is to sell on eBay or other online platforms like Facebook Marketplaces. Just make sure you hurry up with your designs because this niche is not going to stay hot for a long time. So that's it from me, guys. Please make sure you like and share this video because it really does help my channel. If you have any questions, you can leave a comment below and I'll make sure I get to it. Until next time, bye.